In order to regain that feeling of control in your life that's characterized by you being able to figure out what's bothering you, spend quiet time meditating and letting your subconscious pull up the database of records of what happened to you recently and the exact reason why you feel the way you feel as a reaction to it. Your subconscious is a beautiful thing because it remembers everything that ever happened to you, even though your conscious mind does not. When your subconscious mind reveals why you feel the way you feel, you can choose to talk to someone about it, someone who's trained to recognize patterns and meanings of subconscious thought. Another alternative is to journal about it. Just as your body eliminates waste, your mind must eliminate waste as well. A good way to do this is by writing down any stored negative energy in order to release it and maintain an overall state of internal health. Convert the trapped negative energy stored from subconscious thoughts into a physical form that can now be literally disposed of and removed from your life. Convert your thoughts into ink on a piece of paper, and when you're done, crumple it up into a ball and throw it into the trash. Think of this like daily mental hygiene, the same way that you cleanse your body in the bathroom every morning and all the dirt is removed and washed away.